Use the TIS ZigBee Hub to create a complete alarm system in your projects by linking it to TISB products, such as the ZigBee door sensor, motion detector, key fob, siren flasher, and other devices. To add ZigBee devices to your hub using the TIS DevSearch software, locate your ZigBee Hub in the list, select it, and double-click to open it. Go to the ZigBee Devices tab, then select the Security Device option. Next, take your ZigBee motion detector and press the reset button until it starts blinking rapidly, indicating that it is entering joining network mode. In the software, click Open Join Window. After a few seconds, the sensor should automatically appear in the list, highlighted in yellow. Double-click the newly added sensor, add a comment for it. Enable the Add to Homepage option. Activate the checkbox for Enable Security function if you want this sensor to be part of your alarm system. For the motion detector, select Security Mode and choose the mode you want this sensor to be active, for example, Vacation and Away mode, but not during night or other modes. You can enable Delay mode if your motion detector is located near the entry door, then click Save. You can add additional ZigBee security devices to the network one by one. For the door sensors, press the reset button for 6 seconds until the LED starts blinking. TIS offers different types of door sensors, all of which have a reset button and will be linked in a similar way. Then, follow the same steps to add it to the ZigBee Hub by clicking Open Join Window. You will see the door sensors added to the list. Add comments for each sensor and select the security options and delay time if needed. If the door sensor is installed on the entry door, it is important to enable the delay time. Select 1x for the entry delay time to be counted exactly, or 2x for the delay to be multiplied by the entry delay time. If you select 4x, it means 4 times the entry delay, depending on how far your door is. To add the key fob, press and hold the second and third buttons for 6 seconds until the key fob starts blinking rapidly. Then, follow the same joining procedure to add it to the network. Click Open Join Window in the software, add comments, and the zone, then press Save. For the siren and flasher, press and hold the reset button for 6 seconds until the LED indicator starts blinking. Then, follow the same steps to add it to the gateway via the software. You can type comments, change the security zone if needed, enable or disable the flasher, and set the duration, in seconds, for how long you want the siren to trigger in case of an alarm. You can also test your siren by pressing the various test buttons, then press Stop Test to turn off the siren sound. All sensor information will be saved in the database. Later, you can check it by pressing on Project, Config, Home Page Devices, and Security Zones.